This is a 3,236 HTD SQR feet under roof, beautiful pool home located in desirable San Antonio. This gorgeous house features a Florida-style open floor plan, 4 bedrooms 3 full baths, great size saltwater pool with custom-built outdoor kitchen area for entertaining, LED lit top with fire feature. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances, hardwood cabinets, and a pantry. The beautiful master bedroom had hardwood flooring overlooking the pool. Ensuite master bath features dual sink vanity, his and hers closets, walk-in shower and separate tub. On the opposite side of the home you will find 3 guest bedrooms, which has new carpet, and 2 guest baths. Oversized 3-car garage with 8 doors, 10 true ceilings, tile throughout. Storage shed built 2016, 5-zone irrigation system, pest tubing throughout with 2 outside ports, oversized lot and large fenced backyard, fenced with steel commercial panels. Low HOA dues of $400 annually. Come see this beautiful home today.